FBOX is a global high-tech cooling solution provider focusing on delivering intelligent, energy-efficient, and high-performance cooling technology for enterprise clients and large-scale AI data centers. Our subsidiaries and R&D centers span key regions across China. We operate self-owned manufacturing bases and global operations across Asia, the Americas, and the Middle East, proudly owning the core technology in single-phase immersion cooling. Our offerings cover high-density computing scenarios such as AI workloads, cryptocurrency mining, and HPC clusters. By integrating immersion, air, and hydro cooling technologies, we provide end-to-end cooling systems from components to infrastructure, helping our clients worldwide to build a greener and more sustainable digital future. FBOX newly launched manufacturing site in southern China covering 21 acres and delivering an annual production capacity of 3,600 megawatts. Backed by a core technology team with over 20 years of experience in both hardware and software R&D and production. We are building the world's largest facility for next-generation cooling technologies. The production site is carefully designed to optimize efficiency and is divided into multiple specialized areas. Final assembly plant. PDU facility. Cooling tower facility. Sheet metal facility. Incoming materials facility. And the finished products facility. Our factory operates 2 advanced assembly lines. Both leverage modular production techniques ensure high precision and efficient manufacturing. In 2025, FBOX will continue to expand its global footprint, drive technological innovation, and serve clients worldwide. With a global perspective, we're set to explore the boundless potential of tomorrow. We welcome opportunities to connect and collaborate, and look forward to shaping a smarter, more sustainable digital infrastructure together.